Imagine an alien world on our own planet. One without sunlight, without familiar shapes, where creatures evolve in ways that seem impossible. Welcome to the deep sea. Today, we meet three extraordinary ocean inhabitants that look like they belong in science fiction. Meet the Barreleye Fish, the Vampire Squid, and the Yeti Crab. The first stop, the Barreleye Fish, scientific name Macropinna microstoma. It lives thousands of feet beneath the surface, often between about 600–800 meters, where sunlight fades to near nothing. What makes it remarkable? Its head is a transparent, fluid-filled dome. Through it, you can actually see its tubular green eyes, perched inside. Those eyes normally point upwards, scanning the faint light above for prey silhouettes. Then, when it's time to strike, the eyes rotate forward beneath the dome to lock in on food. And those eyes are protected by the dome, thought to help because this fish sometimes hovers under jellyfish tentacles and steals food. It's solitary, motionless, hovering in the dim twilight of the ocean, waiting. Next up, the Vampire Squid, scientific name Vampiroteuthis infernalis. Don't let the name fool you. This is no blood-sucking monster. It lives in the oxygen minimum zone of the deep sea, thousands of meters down, where there's hardly any light and normal predators struggle. It has huge eyes, proportionally among the largest in the animal kingdom. Its 8 arms are connected by a web of skin, like a cloak, and tucked beneath are 2 long filaments that it uses to collect what's called marine snow, drifting organic particles, even fecal matter, and dead plankton, gluing them together and eating them. When threatened, it doesn't ink like shallow water squids. Instead, it uses bioluminescent organs and releases glowing clouds of mucus, making an eerie light show. Slow-moving, energy-efficient, adapted to a world where food is scarce and competition minimal. The vampire squid thrives where most cannot. Finally, the Yeti Crab, scientific name Kiwa hirsuta, discovered in 2005 near hydrothermal vents in the South Pacific, more than 2,000 meters down. It's covered in blonde hair, setae, on its claws and arms, but these hairs aren't decorative. They harbor bacteria. The crab waves its hairy arms through the vent emissions, rich in methane, hydrogen sulfide and minerals, to feed the bacteria, which it then harvests for food. In effect, this crab farms its meal. Blind, or with very reduced eyes, it lives in near total darkness, in one of nature's harshest habitats. Yet it has found a way not only to survive, but thrive by creating its own food source. These three creatures remind us. The ocean is still full of mysteries, and the creator's imagination knew no bounds. From seeing through a skull, to eating drifting snow in darkness, to farming bacteria beside boiling vents, life finds a way. Which of these bizarre deep-sea creatures surprised you the most? Drop a comment, and if you love the journey, hit subscribe for more adventures from the abyss.